Hi guys, this is Jen from Jeja's Kitchen and welcome again to my channel. Guess who's cooking today, guys? It's mackerel pasta. Yeah, I've been craving it for a long time and I'm glad that you should. So if you're interested and want to see how I'm going to fix it, stay tuned while I run through the recipe. I'm going to add the shrimps and let it cook for 2 minutes. So I'm going to stir fry it for like 5 minutes before I add the pasta. Ladies and gentlemen, mackerel pasta. That's me trying to be posh, y'all. That's it for today on Jeja's Kitchen. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye.